Hello everyone, my name is Ram Krishna Bhatta and welcome to another new video. Today I am going to paint a mountain, but also today I am going to stick to a particular style. Yes, today I am going to follow the Zorn Pallete. I know many of you have already heard about this color palette, and if you have not, then it's developed by Anders Zorn, a Swedish painter. And this Zorn palette is like we just use very few color in this, like yellow ochre, cadmium red, black and titanium white. So Anders Zorn, he was a Swedish artist. He was an acclaimed portrait artist as well. And some art historians suggested that at that time blue color was more expensive or hard to find, so that these limited palettes should have been popular. I heard that titanium white was only developed in the 1900s, so maybe he might have used lead white in place of titanium. And in my opinion, if we just skip the blue color, then we can learn this Zorn palette easily. I guess it would be very helpful to learn color. We could try our best to mix any color instead of just going to the color tube. Here we don't need to worry about color harmony, as it is limited palette. And I think that using this color, the painting looks more mature, is just my opinion, as many colors are skipped throughout the painting process. And some artists they complain that it's hard to get vibrancy, and we could not paint vibrant green or vibrant blue by following this palette, but I am very much in love with this color palette, and today I am trying to follow this palette. Let's see how it goes. So as you can see, I am using yellow ochre, cadmium red, titanium white, and I don't know the black. Which black is this? I am really fond of this Zorn palette, actually more of a limited palette. And if you like any particular palette, please let me know. So now I am working on the pathway. some bushes on my right side, and here I am adding a tracker or a potter, and this one is a yak. It's used for transportation, as a transportation in the mountain region, as there are little difficulties in motor vehicles. Oh, by the way, have you been to trekking? If you have, I would love to hear your experiences. So we are in the last part of our painting, and if you are seeing this video for the first time, please support us by subscribing our channel. You can share your thoughts and hit the like button. I'm adding some prayer flags which we can see on the mountain, like it can be placed on the side of the road or in front of the house. It is very popular. I appreciate your time and thank you for watching. See you on my next video.